Marhaba. In this video, we are going to learn short vowels or short sound. So let's seize the day. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. In my previous video, I have already explained the basic rules of Arabic language and how to pronounce the letters. If you want, you can check in the description box or I button. Short vowels or al-harkat literally means movement. Al-harkat is so special in Arabic, so unique. In Arabic, there are three types of short vowels or short sound. They are written above or below the consonant they follow. So let's see. First, I'll explain you about fatha. Fatha is a small line written above the letter. Okay, it is read as fatha. Okay, fatha. The pronunciation of fatha is a in apple. If I cut out this part, I will get a. So this is the pronunciation of fatha. Okay, now alif. If I add fatha with alif, I will get a. Okay, so alif changes to a. Ba. If I add fatha to ba, I will get ba. When we put fatha above the letter alif, it changes to, the pronunciation changes to a. When we put fatha above the letter ba, it changes to ba. When fatha is added to ta, ta fatha ta. Tha fatha tha. The tongue is flat and little bit outside. Tha. The tongue touches to the upper front teeth. Tha. Let's see the next one now. Our letter is Jim. If I add fatha to Jim, I will get ja. Jim changes to ja. Ha fatha becomes ha. Kha fatha becomes kha. Let's see the next one. Dal. If I add fatha to dal, it changes to da. Okay. Zal fatha za. Ra fatha ra. Za fatha za. Okay. If I add fatha to seen, it becomes sa. Okay. Sheen fatha sha. If I add fatha to sod, it becomes saw. If I add fatha to dod, it becomes daw. Add fatha to taw, it becomes taw. And zaw fatha zaw. Ain fatha a. Gain fatha ga. If I add fatha to fa, it becomes fa. Okay. Qaf fatha qa. Kaf fatha ka. Lam fatha la. Let's see the next one. If I add fatha to meme, it becomes ma. Noon fatha na. Waw fatha wa. Let's see the next letter, ha. If I add fatha to it, I will get ha. Okay. Next, this letter is known as hamza. If I add fatha to hamza, I will get a. The last letter, ya fatha ya. Short vowels should be short. It should not be more than one count. Let's revise all together now. Alif fatha a. Ba fatha ba. Ta fatha ta. Tha fatha tha. Jim fatha ja. Ha fatha ha. Kha, da, za, ra, za, sa. Sheen fatha sha. Sod fatha saw. Dot fatha daw. Ta fatha taw. Zaw fatha zaw. Ain fatha ah. Ghain fatha ghaw. Fa fatha fa. Qaw, ka, la, ma. Noon fatha na. Waw fatha wa. Ha fatha ha. Hamza fatha a. Ya fatha ya. Next short vowel is kasra. It's a small line below the letter. It is read as kasra. Okay? Pronunciation of kasra is E in pin. Okay? If I cut out P and N, I will get sound E. Right? This is the pronunciation of kasra. So, alif. If I add kasra to alif, I will get alif kasra E. Okay, let's see the next one. Ba. If I add kasra to ba, I will get ba kasra B. Ba kasra B. Let's see all together now. If I add kasra to alif, I will get E. So, alif kasra E. Alif changes to E. Okay. If I add kasra to ba, I will get B. Ba changes to B. Okay. Then ta kasra T. Sa kasra C. Okay. If I add kasra to Jim, it will be G. Jim changes to G. Okay. Same way.
Ha kasra he kha kasra khi
Okay. When I add kasra to dal, it changes to D. Okay, dal changes to D. Then zal kasra Z. Ra kasra Re. Z kasra Z. Then sheen kasra She.
sad kasra si dad kasra di ta kasra ti ضاد ضا ظا كسرة ضي عين كسرة عي غين كسرة غي
The next letter. Fa kasra Fi. Fa changes to Fi. Okay. The pronunciation of Fa becomes Fi. Qaf kasra Qi. Kaf kasra Qi. Lam kasra Li. Mim kasra Mi. Mim changes to Me. Okay. Noon kasra Ni. Waw kasra Vi. He. When I add kasra to he, it changes from ha to he. Okay. The pronunciation of ha becomes he. Hamza kasra e. Ya is the last letter, so this will be the ya kasra e. Ya is the last letter. Okay. The short vowel should not be long and it should be just for one count. Okay. So let's see all together now. Ready?
ألف كسرة با كسرة طي ثي جي حي خي دي ذي ري ذي ثي شي صي ضي طي ضي عي غي في قي ki, li, mi, ni, we, he, e, ye.
Dhamma, if you see it, it is look like small wow in Arabic language, small wow. Okay? How to pronounce the sound of Dhamma? If I cut out Y from U, the sound I'll get oo. Okay? So this is the pronunciation of Dhamma. So let's see now. Alif. If I add Dhamma to Alif, I will get Alif Dhamma Oo. Alif changes to Oo. Okay? Okay. Let's see the next one. Ba. If I add Dhamma to Ba, Ba Dhamma Boo. Ba changes to Boo. How to say Oo? Put your lips in circle and say Oo. So, Ba Dhamma Boo. First letter is Alif. When I add Dhamma to Alif, I get Oo. Ba Dhamma Boo. Ta Dhamma Tu. Sa Dhamma Su. Okay. Our next letter is Jeem. When I add Dhamma to Jeem, it changes to Ju. Jeem changes to Ju. Ha Dhamma Hu. Ha Dhamma Hu. When I add Dhamma to Dal, it becomes Du. The pronunciation changes from Dal to Du. Zal Dhamma Zu. Ra Dhamma Ru. Za Dhamma Zu. Okay? Our next letter is Seen. When I add Dhamma to Seen, it changes to Su. Seen Dhamma Su. Okay? Sheen Dhamma Shu. Sod Dhamma Su. Dod Dhamma Du. Our next letter is Ta. Ta Dhamma Tu. Zo Dhamma Zu. Ain Dhamma U. Ain Dhamma Gu. Okay. Our next letter is Fa. Fa Dhamma Fu. Qaf Dhamma Ku. Kaf Dhamma Ku. Lam Dhamma Lu. Our next letter is Meme. Meme Dhamma Mu. Noon Dhamma Nu. Wow Dhamma Wu. Okay. Our next letter is Ha. Ha Dhamma Hu. Hamza Dhamma U. Ya Dhamma U. Okay. Short vowel should be short and it should not be more than one count. Okay. And when you say oo, put your lips in a circle and say oo. Okay. Let's see all together now. Alif Dhamma U. Ba Dhamma Bu. Ta Dhamma Tu. Sa Dhamma Su. Jeem Dhamma Ju. Ha Dhamma Hu. Kha Dhamma Khu. Dal Dhamma Du. Zal Dhamma Zu. Ra Dhamma Ru. Za Dhamma Zu. Seen Dhamma Su. Shu. Su. Du. Tu. Zu. U. Gu. Fu. Ku. Ku. Lu. Mu. Next letter. Nu. Wu. Hu. U. U. Fatha says A. Kasra say E. Okay. And Dhamma say U. You can practice with all the letters, and still if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. This is the end of the video. Best of luck for exam. Take care. Bye.